Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen Siemens PLC hardware wiring. Now in this lecture we will see how to program for that. So first open Siemens PLC programming software TI portal. Now first of all create new project. Here give name for the project. We will give here trial name, trial. Then you can select here path for that. Then create project. We will change name trial 2. Then create the project. After creating project, this window will get pop up. Then directly give to the project view. Now we have to add our PLC model. Our PLC model is, we can see, Siemens S7-1200 series, and CPU is CPU 1212C AC/DC relay. Then same model we have to select in the software. So go to add new device, just double click here. Then go to the Siemens S7-1200 series. Then go to CPU. Then our model is here CPU 1212C AC/DC relay. Then select here, click here, and select this one 4.5 version. Then click on OK. Here we have to give full permissions, no any password protection. So here click uncheck this and click on next, and here give full access and then finish. Now you can see here our PLC model is added, and see here CPU 1212C AC/DC relay. Now go to the directly program blocks, and here click on main OB. Here we will write our program. So first of all we have here two inputs and three outputs. Two inputs are, you can see here, two inputs are one start push button and one is stop push button, and our output is one motor start contactor, next motor on lamp and motor off lamp. So we have to add this input and outputs in the PLC software IO list. So go to first PLC tags, and here go to default tags. Here add our inputs and outputs. So our first input is start push button and its address is I0.0. So here we will add start push button and hit enter, and here address is its address is I0.0. We can change address from here. Okay, then our next input is stop push button and then hit enter. Its address is I0.1. Now our output is motor 1 contactor Q0.0 output. So here motor 1 K and hit enter. But here we can see here is input assigned, but we have to use output here. So click here and select here Q. In the Siemens PLC, input is indicated by I and output is indicated by Q. So here output number is Q0.0 and OK. Then motor 1 start, motor 1 on indicator, its address is Q0.1. we can see here. Now motor off indicator lamp output is Q0.3. so motor 1 off indicator, hit enter. Now our IO list is prepared. Now go to the main OB. Now take one start push button, one stop push button and one output. So we can take one NO contact from here, just drag and drop here. Now after that take one NC push button for stop motor and take one output. So now start push button address is I0.0. so here double click and I 0.0 and hit enter. Okay, now you can see here comment is also show here. Now here stop push button address is I 0.1 and hit enter. Okay, now our output address motor 1 contactor on output is Q 0.0 and hit enter. Now we have to give here holding for contactor, because once we press start push button and then release, we have to hold our contactor, so we have to use here holding. So take Q 0.0 NO contact in parallel with start push button. So here click here, then click here, take one NO and here connect this, and its address is Q 0.0. Now here our motor will get on if start push button get pressed, but our two outputs still remaining. So we have to take one parallel branch here and take one output here whose output number is Q0.1. Take Q0.1. Its name is motor on indicator lamp. But here our condition is that if motor contactor Q0.0 on, then only our indicator lamp, motor on indicator lamp will get on. Then take here NO contact of Q0.0. So take here Q0.0 and give address it to Q0.0 and hit enter. Now if motor is off, then our motor off indicator we have to show on. Take here one NC contact and here out and take one output here. Its output number is Q0.2 and its NC number is NC push button address is Q0.0. Now check here what happen. If start push button will get on, then our Q0.0 motor contactor get on and motor will get on, and its NO contact here use, so it will get on and motor indicator on lamp will get on and shows motor is on. If we press stop push button, then our motor will get off and also motor on indicator gets off, and here we use NC contact of Q0.0, then it will get on and it will get on the Q0.2 and shows our motor is off. This is the program for this wiring. In next lecture we will discuss on another new topic. Thank you.